Namaskar, India Meteorological Department welcomes you in Delhi weather briefing. First of all, India Meteorological Department wishes you a very happy and prosperous new year of 2024. So if we look into today's highlights, then the dense fog cover over plains of North India, although it has reduced in intensity and in duration, but it is further likely to continue during next 2 days, and thereafter significant decrease would be seen. And similarly, due to this low cloud cover, dense fog cover, sunlight duration had decreased, and due to that, cold day to severe cold day conditions have been occurring over the plains of northwest India, and these cold day conditions are likely to continue with during next 2 days, and thereafter it would also reduce. And then we have a low pressure area today over southeast and adjoining Southeast Arabian Sea and adjoining West Equatorial Indian Ocean. So this low pressure area is likely to move nearly northwards and become a well-marked low pressure area during next 24 hours. So first of all, if we look into the observed weather today, so the cold day to severe cold day conditions have been observed at some to many parts of Punjab and Haryana, and also over some parts of UP, So these cold day to severe cold day conditions also have been observed over parts of North Rajasthan. And also dense fog, although very dense fog has almost dissipated from the North India plains, but dense fog has been observed at many stations, as we can see here, stations from Uttarakhand, UP, Rajasthan, East MP, Bihar, West MP, Odisha, and Assam and Tripura have reported dense fog. So here we can get a small glimpse of how the dense fog cover has been reduced. So this is the rapid image from the INSAT 3DR satellite of 7 UTC of yesterday, and we can see that how the fog cover is extending from Punjab and Haryana going up to Bihar, and today we can see that the fog cover over UP has almost been lifted, although it is still persisting over Punjab and Haryana, and it is to some extent it has slightly increased over parts of West MP and adjoining Rajasthan. So now if we come over to the here we can see that the temperature scenario, the minimum temperatures, as we can see, these yellow and red colors indicate that the minimum temperatures are above normal, are more than the large period average of the temperature. So the minimum temperatures are above normal, but due to the unavailability of the sunlight, due to persistent fog and low cloud cover, the maximum temperatures had also fallen significantly, and due to that, cold day to severe cold day conditions have been persisting. So here we can see the warning, as we can see the fog cover has been reduced to some extent, and due to that the sunlight has started coming over the plains of North India, and due to that the cold day intensity would definitely be decreased over plains of North India, but still the cold day conditions to severe cold day conditions in isolated to some pockets is likely over Punjab and Haryana, and also over parts of Rajasthan and West UP, and for next 2 days, and thereafter from day 3 it would decrease further. And similarly as regards the dense fog, so dense fog activity would also keep on continuing for next 2 to 3 days over northwest India, where also some stations may report very dense fog as well, and dense fog over Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha and Gangetic West Bengal may continue for next 2 to 3 days and thereafter decrease significantly. So, in nutshell, if we say it, so cold day conditions and dense fog conditions are likely to gradually decrease from 3rd of January, and thereafter it would provide a big relief to the people. So now we come over to the low pressure area, which is currently lying over the southeast Arabian Sea and adjoining West Equatorial Indian Ocean. And under the influence of this, as we can see here, that the squally weather with wind speed of 40 to 45 kmph, gusting to 55 kmph, is likely over southeast Arabian Sea and adjoining parts of Lakshadweep area today, and then southeast Arabian Sea and adjoining parts of Lakshadweep area and adjoining parts of East Central Arabian Sea tomorrow, and it would continue for the region of Southeast Arabian Sea adjoining Lakshadweep area and adjoining parts of East Central Arabian Sea till 5th of January. And this low pressure area is likely to become well marked low pressure area during next 24 hours. And under the influence of this, as we can see here, that isolated heavy rainfall is likely over Lakshadweep during next 4 days, today on 1st January, 2nd January, 3rd January, as well as 4th January. And also it will cause a light to moderate isolated to scattered rainfall activity over Kerala and South Interior Karnataka and coastal Karnataka during 2nd January to 4th of January. So that's all for today. Tomorrow we'll again meet with Delhi weather briefing for weather warning during next 5 days. Thank you and goodbye.